I just want to make a quick little video. I'm into the CNC and been making little signs. You know, I do all kinds of lights and stuff like that. But I've just been using like Inkscape and Snap CNC. But I've been trying to find something to where I could do some 3D wood carving because I got a bigger machine on the way. I've downloaded so many different things that I'm not too familiar with. I'm trying to learn, but everything's either a demo or it costs too much money. If I could just know what program maybe is free or is gonna last or something to where I could sit down and learn instead of hunting and hunting. I've been hunting for 2 months trying to find a program to where it's worth learning. And I don't know, this Rhino here, it seemed like a good program, but it's also very complicated. There's, the people do want to work with you, but I don't know. I'm not good at talking to people, I guess. I don't know if there's anyone out there. I just want to do like take a picture and make a 3D wood carving, like baby pictures or something, anything. I'm so confused and getting so frustrated, and I want to do it so bad. I don't know if anyone out there can help me in the CNC world. Please give me a shout. Thank you.